Restore. So I'm just going to do chest. It hates all like flashlights, fire, ATC, pretty much just electricity. So yeah. How much for the light rod? There's a lightning rod. These crappy things. Which I guess I can go for it. If I could go for it. Alright, so I'm going to need 10. What do I need? So I need a 10 bit. Okay. I'll hide in this. Why not? He's alive. He's turning into daytime. What? Oh god. Hey, oh my god. That was two of them, man. I can't take it anymore from that. I just got stuck by lightning. Hold on. That was not ideal. Alright, it's probably gonna need one really out of me. This will help for this. Nope. I see the cloud. I see it. Oh my god, so you can see the cloud. Wait, you can see what the cloud is. Wait. Alright, stop. Oh god. Lightning cloud. There, wait. Oh, it stopped. Well, I am getting confused. You know where I'm going. Actually, no, I'm gonna grab the morsel over here. And then, oh god, I need some. Alright, I'm gonna use the good axe. I'm gonna fill my inventory of wood. Pretty sure a full inventory might give it, So, that's what I'm about to do. A full inventory. First time ever. Boom. And then, boom. That should be enough. Oh god. That ain't good. Alright, I'm back. Alright. I have enough. I'm just gonna take a little bit more. Take 3 more. Alright, it's time. Here's the 30. Whoa. Do you think I'm scared of you? Alright, I might actually be scared. Oh god. Oh yeah, that's a crossbow. Oh god, let's this time. I didn't think I'd survive. I forgot. Ow. And I'm dead. Alright. See you guys. And by the way, shout out to my new subscriber, Dogs Vacuum. Oh, Dogs Vacuum Hunter. So bye guys.